What is up, people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log into your Venmo account. So basically what Venmo is like Venmo is an online payment app which is like similar to Cash App. So if you guys have used Cash App, then you guys might have heard about Venmo. It's basically a method or a form of payment. Okay, so it's that simple. If you guys want to know more about it, you can just go to their website and read about it. So the main topic in today's video is how you guys can log into your Venmo account. So right now I'm using my PC, but you guys can, follow the same step for mobile as well. So if you guys are on PC, go to a browser. Once you're in a browser, what you want to type is Venmo login. Once you, search for Venmo login, click on the first where it says Venmo share payments, click on it. And once you come to this website, you want to click on login. Now, if you're using Venmo on your phone, basically you don't have to do all this. You can just basically download the app, open the app. After opening the app, it's going to take you over here. Now, once you're over here, basically what you want to do is enter the email, mobile number, or username, whichever you used when you created your Venmo account, and your password. And after entering a correct email, password, click on sign in, and you can sign into your Venmo account. If you forget your password, you can always click on forget password and follow their steps to change your password. And if you guys haven't created an account, you can click on sign up to sign up in Venmo. So that's basically how you guys can, sign into your Venmo account. So the reason why you can't sign into your Venmo account could be if you enter the wrong email and password. So keep that in mind. So hope you guys found this video helpful. Then if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases.